In this video we're going to be unboxing and having a look what you get inside the box with the DJI Neo drone only kit. We're then going to be setting up the DJI Neo and getting it ready to fly. This is what you get in the kit. In here, your instruction manuals and QR code to set up the drone. Also get some stickers here so you can plaster DJI over everything you want. And then in here you get a screwdriver, some spare blades and a charging cable. So the drone itself comes in this bag, and I've taken it out to charge the drone already. Got a charging port there on the back. Just need to peel that sticker off before you fly. And the battery is there. Push down and slide to remove. I've gone ahead and put my flight registration to conform with UK law. So having a look at the drone, there's my hand. As you can see, it's pretty small, so it just fits in the size of my hand. These little clips here are removable. Not sure why you'd want to remove them other than to replace the blades. The lens protector, you just squeeze like so to remove, but unlike some of the other drones, you can actually leave this one in place. It can move behind there, so if it's a particularly damp atmosphere you're flying in, you could leave that on just to protect the lens from water ingress. Two buttons on there, this one to power it on and this one to change the flight modes. Before you start flying, you will need to download the DJI Fly app from the App Store. I've gone ahead and done that. I already have a Mavic Mini 3, so I already had this installed, but when I opened it up I did need to update it. So before you go ahead and fly your Neo, you will need to charge it, and basically when you charge it, it basically pairs the battery to the drone. So yeah, before you do anything, fully charge the battery. The first thing we're going to do is hit the connection guide, connection and activation instructions. Okay, here we have to select the aircraft. We've got the DJI Neo. So here we've got connect via mobile device, connect RC only, and connect with RC and goggles. Well, I'm not going to be using goggles, but I'm going to start off by connecting via a mobile device. So first thing it says is to remove the protector. Slide the battery into the battery compartment and then press and hold the power on button on the aircraft. There we go. As you can see, just doing its propeller checks. Then search for aircraft. There we go. Connecting. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to confirm. DJI Fly app wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect. Yep, we're going to do that. So next bit is to agree to the authorization of DJI to access the DJI device hardware and info and account information. So we're going to agree to that. Activation successful. Done. Here, opportunity for DJI to make some money, and yeah, we don't want to purchase any of those, so I'm guessing we hit skip on that one. You'll be directed to the official site. Right, so next screen is it does need to do a firmware update. I'm not going to sit and make you watch the progress bar go round, so we'll come back once it's done doing its updating. So whilst you're going ahead and updating your DJI Neo, you'll notice these lights flashing whilst it's doing the update. Currently still only 81% completed. So that took about 5 minutes to download and get through. So there we go. Says it's already connected. Okay, looks like it is working now. Looks like the drone has turned itself off, so although it said it detected the drone. Restart aircraft and be within, yeah. There we go. Let's see if it detects it now. No. No, it doesn't detect it, so select aircraft. Yeah, we're going with that one. Choose a suitable flight environment. Fly in open areas, avoid water, do not fly over bridge or balconies, observe local laws. Got it. Your first flight.
Point the camera at your face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Right. So we're going to skip this bit because it's self-explanatory. It's just going to go through. Right. There we go. We are connected. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Neo powered up. I'm going to power this up and see whether that is how we connect. Connection guide. Wow, doesn't show the Neo. Let's see how it does now with this connected. So we've got this screen up, which is not what we're looking for, and the controller's definitely not connected. So couldn't get that to connect. Did a little bit of research on it, and I don't think this controller is compatible with this drone. So went through the bother of basically downloading DJI Assist for my laptop, plugging this in to see if there's any newer firmware for this, and there isn't, and it's all up to current, but as you can see, it doesn't have the Neo available when you try and connect it using this. So yeah, looks like we're not going to be able to use the controller. This does look exactly like the controller that ships with the DJI Neo, but yeah, not compatible. So, and I can't unless DJI do some kind of update to make that's not going to be usable. So yeah, hope this has been a interesting video. If you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, it will help me to share more content just like this. Thanks for watching.